We are building an off-grid farm from the ground up here in British Columbia, Canada. Out here on our off-grid farm, progress doesn't come easy, eh? After days of pushing down trees and making wood chips, it's finally time to build up the raised beds for the next garlic cloves, eh?
Hello, my name is Edgar, and welcome to my channel.
Muddy off-grid, eh?
Muddy off grid, eh? YouTube channel videos are for entertainment purposes only. If you engage in any of the activities shown in the Muddy off grid, eh? videos, do so at your own risk. Consult an expert before operating any tools, machinery, etc. shown in the videos.
This video is about building raised beds to grow garlic. I will show you how I build the raised beds that we use to grow our garlic.
I am measuring the current garlic field. So it is 40 feet wide by 100 feet long.
I already set up my measuring tape, so it's going to be 100 feet long. Now I'm going to set up my rope. I'm just trying to make the road straight, and that's perfect right there. My rope is about 100 feet long. So my rope is all set up. Now it's time to bring the backhoe. Now I just have to dig a trench following the rope with the backhoe. So I don't care about the rope at the back of the backhoe. I follow the rope on the front of the backhoe and keep the backhoe straight. I find that if I just do that, then it works out.
If you would like to buy me a coffee so I can work faster, you can hit the super thank button right below the video. Keeps the diesel flowing and the garlic growing, eh?
Okay, so the first trench is done. And that looks pretty straight to me. I like it. So the next thing for me to do here is to measure the width of the row it's going to be 36 inches because the tractor has clearance for 36 inches. So I need to drive the tractor over the rows. So I have to leave about 36 inches, and then the planting area is about 26 inches. But anyway, let's get to it. All right, there you have it. Nice row. Now I have to take the topsoil and put it on the row, and that will build up the height of the row. And then on top of that, we'll put compost. So the compost will make it even higher. So it'll come up to around 12 inches, which is perfect. So I managed to make it straighter than the previous patch. Still with the rope, it's hard to follow it because of the bucket. Okay, so I finished digging all my trenches. It doesn't look like much yet, but I got all my 5 rows ready. Now the hard work begins. Collecting some rocks, the bigger ones, and putting the topsoil onto the rows. Then spreading the compost, and then planting the garlic cloves, and then the wood chips. Yeah, a lot of work, eh? I picked up all the rocks. It wasn't too bad. This is how my raised beds are looking before I spread the compost.
The raised beds are built and ready for the next step: spreading compost, planting the garlic, and covering it all with wood chips. Stick around for the next one, and if you haven't already, subscribe for more off-grid farm adventures, eh? And if you want to see how it all started, check out part 1 of the Garlic Field Expansion series. And if you'd like to support the channel even more, you can join the Muddy Crew, with membership. You'll get badges, emojis, and you'll be part of the journey,